Alright, before we dive in, if you want to snag a lifetime deal on Reoon Email Verifier, click the link in the description below. Trust me, you don't want to miss this bargain. So picture this, you've just sent out your big email campaign feeling like a marketing genius. And then boom, half your emails bounce back. Nightmare, right? That's where Reoon Email Verifier comes in. It's like a bouncer for your inbox, but instead of checking for fake IDs, it checks for fake, or just plain dodgy, email addresses. Reoon promises over 99% accuracy, which is pretty wild. It runs deep checks, SMTP, MX records, even roots out those sneaky disposable emails and spam traps. It'll spot role-based addresses too, like admin@ or support@, and even tells you if someone's using a catch-all inbox. Translation? You're way less likely to land in spam or send emails to a black hole. If you're wondering about speed, it's fast. I'm talking bulk list verification without sending a single email. There's even a Zippy API if you want to stop dodgy signups at the door. It plugs straight into Excel, WordPress and more. Though heads up, integrations with big CRMs are a bit limited. So, not perfect, but for most small businesses, it's more than enough. The lifetime deal is honestly kind of bonkers. For $79, you get 100,000 bonus credits and 500 daily verifications. Stack more codes, get more credits, so you can grow as your business does. Plus, you get a 60-day money-back guarantee, which is more generous than my nan at Christmas. Users rave about Reoon being fast, accurate, and easy to use. The only real gripe? The interface is a bit retro, like your uncle's old Nokia. But hey, it works, and customer support is top-notch. So if you're tired of your emails going straight to digital purgatory, click that link below for the lifetime deal. Secure your spot, clean up your list, and let your emails actually reach real people. Thanks for watching, and here's to a bounce-free inbox.